I'm just chilling. I really hope Liza's home because I'm a really huge fan of her. If she is home, I am going to be very, 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 very pumped. Very, 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 very pumped! Pretty much really hope she's home. Ding dong! Huh? What was that, I wonder? Oh my. Hello, fellow jammer. What are you doing here? Oh, I'm just here to ask you if you could buddy me because I am a huge, very, very, very huge fan. Can you please buddy me? If you do that, I'll be so pumped. Okay, I'll buddy you. Just calm down and I'll just buddy you. Okay. This is very wrong. I'm sorry, my dear, but you're not accepting buddy request. What? I will fix that right now. See you, buddy. Oh, whoops, I actually went into your house. I'm so sorry. Okay, sure. I really am pumped. Okay, calm down. You're gonna literally just calm down, man. Please just calm down. And there you have it. You should get it. No! I am definitely accepting this. Thank you so much. I am so pumped. Thank you. I'm pumped. This is my life. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Well, that was something. Oh, well, where was I? With my new puzzle. Oh, fruit. I want some. Give me the fruit. Eats it all. One dot. Nom nom. Oh my, where am I? Why am I here, by the way? Really? What are you doing here? As you can see here, I'm trying to figure out how to discover the phantoms and learn more. Isn't that kind of dangerous? I mean, I understand you're an alpha, but it sounds kind of dangerous. But anyway, why are you here? Anyway, like, why? Like, why do you need to discover the phantoms? Look, don't judge me. I'm trying to do everything I can so I can discover the phantoms from invading Jamal. And a matter of fact, if the phantoms get their way, there won't even be any left of Jamal. So if I were you, I would run. Okay. I'm just gonna explore this place. What is around here anyway? I'm curious. Man, what is this place? This looks interesting. Help! Oh, run away. No! Help! Greeley! Help! Greeley, where am I? Greeley! What now? Oh my goodness. I discovered you found the phantom things. Look, I was exploring, and then I found this thing, and it all of a sudden trapped me. Get me out of here, Greeley! Okay, let me find something that I can use. I'm gonna find something where I can help you. Be right back. I hope she kind of does deserve. She does kind of deserve that for bugging me. I hope he can find something that he can use to save me. Aha! I found something I can actually use. This will make the phantom thing go away since it's so very bright. So hopefully this thing will work. Greeley, help me! Don't you remember I'm in here? Okay, I'm coming. Oh, I found something. Man, she's complaining. I'm coming. Ugh. I'm finally here. About time. Well, I found something. Here. Here is what I have found. Now, I'm going to shine this on, and it should be able to actually work, because this light will destroy that thing. This thing should work. Finally, got it. Okay, go away. Please, go away. Yay, I'm saved! Whoa, that was a close one. I almost got trapped again. Really actually did almost get trapped again. Well, yeah, of course, because, I'm just gonna get rid of this thing. Yeah. Oh, really? Was this a trap from you or from the phantoms? Maybe? Really? I wonder if anyone's trying to trade art or wonder. Art on trade. Please trade fair. What? There's art on trade? Give me the art. Hopefully this will be good. No! How could this happen to me? This is supposed to be good. That was a good trade. You realize that, right, Peck? You can try to add, maybe? But that took a long time, so be better, please. And matter of fact, that's better taste, I think. You need something good. Pretty much like this. Ta-da! So that's maybe worth, I'm not too sure, but I think it's actually worth, I'm not too sure what's worth. Maybe 4 rares, okay? Just give me 4 rares. Okay. Hopefully this is good. This is rare. So is this. Finally! I hope this is good, though. If this is not accepted, I am going to be so mad. Hopefully. Ooh, rares! I want this. Please? 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 Yay! Oh my goodness, I'm so rare right now. My rares! Hopefully I can make more art so I can get more rares. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, no problem. Bye-bye. I'm just gonna go to my den now, so bye-bye. Woo! I'm going to my den, by the way, because I'm bored for today, and I'm going to be showing off my masterpiece. No, I don't want to play this. I want to go to my den. I'm finally home. It's good to be home, actually, now. Well, what a day. I guess I'm just gonna sleep. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. God bless you. Bye.